Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session today we will learn controlled components. It's a concept of forms where we have discussed earlier session. The controlled components in HTML form components such as input tag, as you have seen the screen, and input text area, and the select for the combo box, the drop down button also it's called, typically maintain their own state and update it based on user input. In React, mutable state is typically kept in the state property of components and only updated with the set state only. We can combine the two by making the React stable be the single source of truth. Then the React component that renders a form also controls what happens in the form on subsequent of user inputs. An input from element whose value is controlled by React in this way is called a controlled component. For example, we will see a simple text. We will try to write a name element of text area. What is displaying here, this is only we will try to implement, and we can write the form as a controlled component. For ReactJS, if you are using such type of form, you can avail of ReactJS components for implementing within the form. Okay, for this we'll start a program of it. Class name, it's a form I am taking, extends dot component constructor probes. All you are familiar with this with the earlier sessions. Super probe, terminate it, and this state we need to define the value what we are receiving from user input. Code over there. Okay, and for this to handling such a two methods it's required: handle on change event and handle on submit event. Any changes may occur, and once that is the one thing, on click, on change, like similar functions, and submit. I am writing two methods over here. This dot handle change equal to this dot handle change dot bind of this. For better understanding, I want to write here. See, this is taking straight away. I'm taking in a copy of this line, paste. It's in a change I am replacing with the submit. Yep, handle submit, handle submit. Okay, now here handle change, handle submit, we need to write two methods. Handle change of, it's a catching of the event. We need to write here under the event this dot set value equal to event raised target, target dot value, terminate it. handle, this is a handle change event. Similarly, this is a submit. Yeah, submit, that is also an event. I want to, before showing this, I want alert for what the user is entered. A name submitted, turn it concatenation with this dot state dot value. State value. Now this is not required here. Yeah, event dot prevent default, the default function over here, prevent default if you event. Yeah, turn it. Right, two methods we have implemented for handling of the events: handle change and handle submit events. Now we need to write a render function, render of the function. That method we need to implement. That form we have written here, that earlier we have a code of that. We'll straight away take this in between the render and I pasted. Yeah, under the render we need to implement a return function. Yes, here it should close, terminate it. Right? Yeah, form, there is a label. Okay, clear. And form, there is an action on submit. On submit, there is a code of React this dot handle small h, handle submit, and input to type text. That value here, value it should carry to this dot state dot value. Okay, on change we have implemented. On change, that is the value we need to pump to that method. Right here, this dot handle change, HEA, handle handle change. Okay, the label is closed here, and submit the form and form tag. That's it. Yeah. Now we will write to React DOM dot render of the function. The name of the form, name form, straight away copy, paste, comma, by ID of root. here it is terminate. Probes. You see, simple. One digit. It's a big. Have to handle big scenarios sometimes. Some typo issues may occur. Now we'll see here. The output we have received that name and the text box and the submit button. Here the value what I have entered here, test, TEST, testing, submit. See, the embedded page is also says that a name submitted testing. Okay, and Harisystems I have entered and submit. The alert I have Harisystems is displayed here. Okay, see here I have taken an alert on submit. You will identify that event here, a name submitted by this, that the value what I am submitted on the text box. Like similarly you will handle such a that component handling and controlling in ReactJS. It's a very easy, and I would like to tell you the display value the always be this dot state dot value here. Okay, making the React state the source of truth. Since handle changes runs on every keystroke to update the React state, the display value will be updated as the user types what is an inputs over the text box. With the controlled component, every state mutation will have an associated handler function. This makes it straightforward to modify or validate user input. For example, if we wanted to enforce that names are written with all uppercase letters, we would writing handle changes as but to uppercase if required. That value what we have presenting over here, handle change event, here we can write it's an upper dot to uppercase value dot to uppercase. Automatically the value will comes to dot uppercase only. That's all for this session. I hope you better understand with this session. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views regarding these sessions. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.